welcome to my channel. My name is Tonia. If you are new here, welcome, and if you are not a subscriber, thank you for being with me. In today's video, I'll be showing you 10 essentials you need as a beginner in cake making. If you love my videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell where you'll be notified of more interesting and exciting videos. Thank you. You need a standard mixer. This is how the mixer looks. It comes with a metal mixing bowl and the metal attachments. To get this hand mixer for when you want to mix very little batter. Baking tins, you need to get baking tins. Get it in different sizes, shapes and colors if you want. A muffin tin, this is how it looks. This comes in 12 compartments, but I think there are some that comes in 8 compartments. Baking trays, you need to get different types of baking tray. Mixing bowl, you need mixing bowl. You need the plastic mixing bowl and the glass mixing bowl. Measuring cup, they are very important when you're baking. Scale, you need to get scale so that you can be able to get accurate measurements when baking. Ramekin tins, you need to get yourself ramekin tins, especially when you want to bake some souffles and chocolate lava cakes. You need this. Parchment paper, you need parchment paper to line your baking tins when baking so that your cake doesn't come out burnt. So I got this parchment paper. Grater, you need to get grater. You might need to grate carrots, lime and lemon, so you need to get a grater. Ice cream scoop, you need ice cream scoop when you want to scoop batter into a muffin tin. Spatulas, I got this silicone pinkish spatula. Sieve, you need to get sieves. These are some of the essentials you need as a beginner. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell where you'll be notified of more interesting and exciting videos.